7. Habitats, the surroundings of living organisms. A. Tick the correct options. The word habitat means the place where an organism lives in natural conditions. Which one of the following is not a terrestrial habitat? Pond. Which one of the following is not an abiotic component of environment? Giraffe. What is stored in the camel's hump for use in an emergency? Fat. In a cactus plant, the process of photosynthesis is carried out by stems. What kind of leaves do plants in mountain have? Needle-like. Fish have scales on their bodies to protect themselves. Which one of the following aquatic plants grow completely submerged in water? Hydrilla. Fill in the blanks. The place where a plant or an animal lives in a natural conditions is called its habitat. Soil, water, and air are the abiotic factors of a habitat. The leaves are present in the form of spines in a cactus. A large area of land, covered trees, and plants is called a forest. A aquatic animals have a streamlined bodies. Match the following. Pines, needle-like leaves; camel, hump to store fat; aquatic animals, streamlined bodies; deer, eye placed on the side of the head; mountain goat, strong hoofs. Answer each in a few words only. State an adaptation in a yak which protect it from the cold environment. Yaks have thick hair on their bodies. What is the function of long claws in the front legs of a lion? To catch its prey and kill it. Name a bird with webbed feet. Ducks. Name an animal which is adapted to live in water as well as on land. Frog. Give reasons. Monkeys are good tree climbers. Monkeys are good tree climbers because they have strong limbs, grasping hands and feet, flexible joints, and long tails. Camels are well adapted to the forest and to the desert habitat. Camels are well adapted to the desert habitat because they can survive without water for long periods, have thick leaves to eat thorny plants, long eyelashes, and closable nostrils to protect against sand, wide feet to walk on sand, and can tolerate extreme temperatures. Yaks have thick hair on their bodies. Yaks have thick hair on their bodies to keep them warm in cold mountainous regions. Answer each in 5 to 6 sentences. Give the benefit of drip tip in leaves of tropical rainforest trees. In tropical rainforests, heavy and frequent rainfall keeps the surrounding constantly moist. The pointed tips of the leaves, called drip tips, help channel and shed excess water quickly from the leaf surface. It reduces the growth of fungus, bacteria, and algae that could damage the leaf tissue or block sunlight needed for photosynthesis. It helps the plant to stay healthy and efficient in their growth. What is habitat? Explain terrestrial and aquatic habitats. A habitat is the natural home or environment where a plant, animal, or organism lives. Terrestrial habitat: land-based habitats like forests, deserts, and grasslands. Aquatic habitat: water-based habitats like rivers, lakes, and oceans. How is camel adapted to survive in desert? Camels are well adapted to the desert habitat because they can survive without water for long periods, have thick lips to eat thorny plants, long eyelashes, and closable nostrils to protect against sand, wide feet to walk on sand, and can tolerate extreme temperatures. State various ways in which trees are adapted to live in extremely cold and windy mountain regions. The various ways in which trees are adapted to live in extremely cold and windy mountain regions are sloping branches to shed snow easily, needle-like leaves to reduce water loss, thick bark for protection against cold, and short height to withstand strong winds. What are the various ways in which a deer is adapted to live in a grassland habitat? The various ways in which a deer is adapted to live in a grassland habitat are strong and slender legs for fast running to escape predators, good hearing and eyesight to detect danger, camouflaged body color to blend with the surroundings, sharp teeth to eat grass and plants easily. Water aquatic plants explain their adaptive features. Aquatic plants are plants that live in water, like ponds, lakes, or rivers. Adaptive features include thin and flexible stem to move with water flow, air spaces in leaves and stems for floating and breathing, waxy coating on leaves to repel water. Roots are reduced or absent in floating plants since they absorb water and nutrients directly. Diagrammatic, diagrammatic, diagrammatic questions. Draw a diagram of the webbed leg of a frog. तो ये फ्रॉग का वेब लेग का पिक्चर है जो आपकी बुक में भी अवेलेबल है, वहाँ से भी आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। ड्रॉ द स्ट्रीमलाइन बॉडी शेप ऑफ फिश, ये भी आपकी बुक से लिया गया है। ठीक है, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट एग्जाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी।